What's going on YouTube? My name is Ty and my blog this is thexking.com. Can't get it out this morning. I'll hit you with a really quick video on motivation and production and what makes you to be productive each day. Because each day it's harder. Um, it's harder to be productive. It's harder to have goals. It's even harder when you're being productive and then you're not where you want to be at. And you have to still be productive and still um, meet your goals, even though you're not where you want to be at, in life. So, what makes you more productive each day? God thinks you should be productive each day. And what motivates me to be productive is to, I guess, help people and to accomplish my goals. And the only way to do that is to stay productive. And I keep this in my mindset. Every day you productive. You gotta be productive each day. And it's harder and harder each day. So I have goals and aspirations in life. And I keep this in mind. Every day that you're productive, you make one step forward in your goals. Like the expression goes, how you climb Mount Everest. You got to just take it one step at a time. And if you look back of last year where you are today, let's say you started this journey, whatever you want to do in life. Let's say you started, let's say this time last year. Are you further than you were now than you were last year? And if the answer is yes, you go in the right direction. You want to stay productive every day. So one thing that I like is my YouTube channel is a perfect example of that. I've been on YouTube for like 5 years. I wasn't even a partner until this past February. I'm recording the video in middle of November. When I first signed up to be a YouTube partner, I was making like $20, $30 a month. But every month, as I keep putting more videos out, it's going up and up and up. It's going up slowly, but it's always going up. Now I'm up to 115 a month now. And it'll keep on going up. So that just motivates for me to make videos all the time and be productive because now the hard work's finally paying off. So what makes me to be productive every day is the fact that I want to live life just to go to work, come home, chill for a little while, watch TV, eat, go to bed, and do everything all over again. I want to build something outside of myself, outside of my normal job. So what motivates me to be productive every day is my dream, my aspirations, what I want to accomplish in life. I want to have big goals. I'm gonna tell you a quick story real quick. Me and my wife go to this thing called Homerama. I don't know if that's in your area or not, but pretty much these people, these house builders, built all these houses, and they'll have different versions of Homerama. They have ones you go to each house and look at it and see the whole new custom design. Some Homeramas, like they build like 10 houses on the street, so you pretty much drive to the place. It's like from 9 to 5 on Saturdays and Sundays. You drive to the place, you walk around each house, you look at the design, look at the house, see how much it costs, and there's no pressure to buy anything. You have an agent in there. If you have any questions about the house, we can just pretty much walk in there, see what you like, and etc. So we go there, and it motivates me to want to buy one of the houses one day. And these houses have a movie theater inside. These houses have a 2-car garage. These houses are really nice houses, open concept, upstairs, downstairs. One house had a huge man cave. It had a bar. It had a room. It had a bathroom in it, a full bathroom with a bathtub. It had a bar. It had another side room that could be your game room, but the bigger room could be your arcade / bar area, whatever. And it has another room on top of that for storage. So just seeing all this and knowing that people actually buy these houses, people actually live in type of houses on a regular day, motivates me to work even harder. Because I can afford, if I really want that house, I can get it. There's nothing stopping me from getting that house. If I didn't make the money to afford that house, I gotta go out there and make it. So going to things like Home-O-Rama and going to these things where people can show you houses, custom built houses, motivates me to work even harder. To see my wife face and to see that she loved one house, she just loved to death. She didn't want to leave the house, but to see what kind of house she likes, knowing that we can work every day to accomplish to get that house is a good thing. So I advise you to help stay motivated, accomplish your goals, have goals, accomplish your goals, push yourself forward, make a step every day. Also, go online, click on Home-O-Rama or click on home viewings and see what events are going on the weekend in your area, and see, do they have a house showing? Do they have, a Home-O-Rama or some type of different type of program? And some programs have different houses that you can drive and look at. That works too. So look at these houses, look at how big these houses are, how it's a beautiful neighborhood, and that's your dream home. You can live in a home for the rest of your life. And the only way to attain these homes is to work harder. Quick story: we was in one of your houses. It was a beautiful home. It was like $800,000. So I'm like, what kind of job? What are they doing to make $800,000? And the real estate agent told us that they already have 3 offers on the house already. I'm like, well, damn. I mean, $800,000 is a lot of money to make monthly to pay for this house. And those people who could afford a house, they work hard. They have to have a really high paying job, or they run a very successful business that they can afford this house. So that if they can do it, I can do it. Now, I ain't talking about doing brain surgery or rocket scientists, something like that. But I'm pretty sure some of the people who afford these $600,000, $500,000, $400,000, $700,000, $800,000 homes, they have a really good paying job, or they have their own business. And I could do the same thing myself. I apply myself. So seeing these houses motivates me. Me changing where I live at motivates me. Me quitting my job and spending more time with my family motivates me. The way this job treat me and my wife, we work at the same place, motivates me as well. I want to get out of that situation. Me want to spend more time with my son motivates me. I'm tired. I come home around 5:30 and we spend 3-4 hours with him, and he has to go to bed, and we have to go to work in the morning. That gets old over time. So that motivates me to stay productive each day, to make more money, to get out where we're at, and to do the goal we want to go. So what motivates you? That motivates me, my family, where I want to live, quit the job, start a business I'm the boss over, where I'm in control of everything. And that motivates me. So what motivates you? Go for it. Keep pushing, keep striving, and you will get there one day. In order to climb Mount Everest, you might take one step at a time. And go for it. My name is Todd with xking.com. Thanks for watching my video. Hope this enlightened you to be productive. Please like the channel, like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. I post 3 videos every day. Thanks for watching.